everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into Truist bank account. For that, first of all, launch Truist bank application on your device. Once the application is opened, on the home page, you will see this interface. Here you have to fill out this form to log into your account. If you haven't registered your account yet, then simply tap on Register Now option available here. Now, let's just enter our user ID at first. If you want this device to remember your user ID, then simply toggle on this button. Then, enter your password. If you do not remember your user ID or password, then you can simply tap on Forget User ID or Password option available here. Once you fill out both of the information correctly, at last you just have to tap on Sign In button. Then you will be successfully logged into your Truist bank account. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.